makeup look with that ting ting and bling bling ting ting. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Sakina Marie, for those of you who do not know. If you are not subscribed to the channel, go down and hit the subscribe button down below. What you waiting for, y'all? Back to the video. So today I'm coming to you guys with this flawless look. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my hair, how I do my makeup for the wedding. Finally, it's finally here. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. But if you guys want to go ahead and see how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, so I am starting on blow dried hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take my comb and section out my hair so that I can put my Nairobi wax, my styling wax, in all of my sections of my hair, just so that I can smooth everything out. I do recommend using the Murray's Edge wax, styling wax. It does work a little better, but this is all I have for now, so we're just gonna go ahead and use this. Go ahead and take your comb and just smooth that out so there's no lumps or no bumps, and then go ahead and take your brush and then brush your hair down so you can get it as flat as possible. Go ahead and take some type of spritz or hairspray or anything that you have and just spray it so that your hair can hold for the whole day. I'd recommend spritz if you are comfortable with putting that in your hair, just because it is an extra hold, unlike hairspray, which is, you know, it doesn't hold that long. But I personally don't like putting spritz in my hair because it makes it really hard. Then we're just going to head and take that top section and do the exact same thing. Put the sections up, comb the wax down, brush it, and spray it. And then we're going to go ahead and take our edge control, whatever edge control that you use. I also have all the products down below that I did use. But you're just going to go ahead and lay those baby hairs however you want, girl. Just go ahead and do your thing. And then you're going to brush all that into a ponytail. Make sure when you're putting the ponytail in, you don't pull the top part too hard, just because you're going to get that lump back there that I had. That's why I had to comb it out. Just make sure that you're doing a tight ponytail, but you're not pulling on it too tight. And then you're going to go ahead and just pull out those baby hairs and lay them however you would like. But make sure when you're done laying your baby hairs that you do brush your hair, just so that it can all be smooth together. And then go ahead and spray those edges just so that they can hold as well. And then go ahead and take you a wrap it around your head, girl, so everything can stay slick. And then go ahead and any way you want, I twisted my hair just so that I can get it in the smallest bun possible. Go ahead, twist. You can French braid, you can just throw it in a ponytail, depending on your hair length. Just make sure it's ball, and then take whatever track you want. Even if you have a drawstring ponytail, you can use that too, but I just used an old track that I had. And go ahead and just, you see what I'm doing, just in a circular motion. Alright, you guys, now we're on to the makeup look. We are gonna go ahead and start off with our Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I took the color Love Letter and I put that in my crease, just all over my eye, really. And now I'm just blending that out. Make sure you blend, blend, blend. It took me a very long time to get this all the way blended out. And as you go on, you can add more if you want to, if that's the look you're looking for. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take some concealer. I'm not doing a cut crease or anything. I just want this to be my base for my eyeshadow. It's a short life. Watch the breakdown. Alright, you guys, so I am going ahead and I am taking this LA Girl glitter. And then just make sure you want to go ahead back in with that brush and blend, sister, blend. And then wipe off the excess with just like a makeup wipe. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I am color correcting, so this is in the orange tone. Time for the face. Time for the beat face. So first I am going in with my Fit Me, my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the number 368. This is the deep golden color. And then on the outside perimeters of my face, I'm going in with my Cover Effects in N110. And I'm just blending all that out with my BH Cosmetics foundation brush. Next, I am going in with my concealer. This is the Maybelline. You know, you can tell I love Maybelline. I love me some Maybelline. And the concealer that I'm using, this is the hazelnut color of the concealer. Now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup, just going ahead, and I don't really bake. I don't really like baking, so I kind of just put it on my face and then I just push it in. And then we're gonna go ahead and that jawline, girl. Yes. Just go ahead and put it under where you contour. I'm going ahead and I am taking my NYX, my NYX. It's actually a concealer, but I just use it as my contour. It's the NYX Full Coverage Concealer, the color Deep Espresso, CJ095. And then I'm taking that, blending that, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my BH Cosmetics, my Studio Pro Contour Palette in the darkest shade possible to go ahead and use that as my powder contour. Make sure everything is blended. Bling, beep, bling. And then we're gonna go ahead and sweep everything away with our big face powder brush. My L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte face powder to go ahead and just blend everything together. I'm using my MAC setting spray to go ahead and set my whole face. And then I'm going ahead and I am using my Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. No, I am not sponsored by Maybelline, but if you watch this video, go ahead and hit your girl up. Yes! But I am using that in the color black. And this is for a wedding, you guys, so I had to make my wing extra. I'm going in with that love letter color on each side, and I'm just taking it to the bottom of my waterline and just smudging it down there just for a little sign. Then I'm going in with my MAC eyeliner. This is in the color Charcoal. And then we're gonna go ahead and be taking our Better Than Sex. This stuff is, whew, I don't know if it's better than sex is, but it's real good. It's real close. But we're taking our Better Than Sex mascara. This is Too Faced. We're gonna put it on the top and the bottom. And my eyelashes are already long, so I don't put on falsies. So if you do wear falsies, now is the time to go ahead and put them on, girl. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our MAC Gold Deposit or whatever highlighter you want to use. Take your highlighter and just go ahead and just put it everywhere. We finna be outside. It's an outside wedding, so you know I had to phone. I'm trying to be ting-tinging from every corner, okay? Go ahead, put it on the nose, put it on the mouth. Just go ahead, just everywhere. I just said forget it. We're just gonna put it everywhere. Now I'm going ahead and I am taking my MAC liner in Chestnut and I'm gonna line my little lips. Now we're going ahead and taking our Milani lip plumper called Keep It Full. This is in the color Bare Pink 06. ahead and snatch that paper off of our head, and you are done, sis. It's a look. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video, girl. Yes, if you want to do your own makeup on a budget and you don't want to spend $100 here, $100 there for somebody to do your hair and your makeup, girl, no. This is beginner friendly. You can do all this by yourself in the comfort of your own home and your own drawers. Okay. Anyways, you guys, like I said, thanks so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you did like this video, and also if you want more. And thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in and watching this video. I really appreciate it. See you guys next time. Bye. Yes, look at this look, girl. Who said you? You better. Get my little bridal dress, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Okay. Okay.